Welcome to the 1-year ceramic coatings. This is the Carbon Collective Luxor Evolve 8th wash. And this is also the 8th week, and this is also 5,200 miles completed. Now summer school starts, the mileage will probably reduce because we won't be travelling as far for any camps. So, well, that's a little bit shiny from the DIY side there. Sorry about that. I did actually put in double the amount I showed. I decided that 15 milliliters is better than about 7.5. It has a nice little pump section on it, so it's actually quite easy to put the 5 pumps in that it requests. Personally, I think it's actually supposed to be a bucket wash, and it is dropping a little quicker, but I didn't leave it specifically long, but it's okay. So the Carbon Collective Evolve rinseless, which is supposed to be a good one, I actually think it's okay. It's pretty good. Used 25 milliliters of solution in the 3 gallons and a further 4 milliliters in a gallon, as it's 1,000 to 1. Then moving on from that, the Supreme Mitt, which came in as part of a set, to be honest. So I figured I'd give it a try. It does look a little bit like the Tri-Fiber mitt, but it's actually very much like a proper wash mitt. It's good soft. I think it would give the DIY cotton candy wash mitt a run for its money, but I'm sure that doesn't really matter. Wiping down one side, turning over, then wiping the other door down with the other side as per normal. Take a quick look, wash out, looks okay for the moment. Now moving back out to get my drying towels, my pre-dry and my finish dry. Quickly running over it with the pre-dry. That kind of helps for not soaking out a regular drying towel. Which I have been using the WMD, but this time I've got the blue and red towel. I don't know where it came from. It came as part of something I purchased, used. The towel itself seems fine, by the way. As you can see, using the blue side here currently. I'll probably use the red side on the other side. Or maybe I'll use it after a water test. Coming in quickly to have a quick look at DIY detail. Sorry, it's not as visual as it could be, but it all seems to be coming off the panel well currently. And once again, moving along, I see the very slight streaks there of the water, very slight heat, but to me that's once again fine. And I will have a look at that next week and do a slightly heavier load of water with the 65 degree that it has that you can turn to. Just drying down, I'm going to go to the other side. Right, after picking up and moving around to the other side, I'm going to once again foam down, as you do. Surprisingly, Superior Products is lasting longer than I thought it would, being as I see some complaints, which just says to me that preparation is probably king on all of these. I know that the Superior Products is classed as older technology, but you know, that is what it is, because they give it at a price in accordance to that. Just showing, I actually put the container in once again and it's clean as normal. I do think it's the best way to treat things when they're more difficult and they're a thicker liquid. If you use that, I should have just pumped it straight in, but then I couldn't show you it. Come across once again with the sprayer just to spray down soap, and the soap itself seems to be easy enough to spray down. I haven't really come across any soaps that are not easily spraying off, knowing that I'm using some that does 1 gallon a minute, etc. ish. But it really does look fine. I like to just make sure I get right under there to make sure I get to anything that might need to be washing off. There could be grit. Don't want any grit on the surface, of course. And then once again, I've got to come back out with a wash mitt, start washing down. Go do the glass first. This time I'm going to just get some of that top done too. Yes, I'm cheating again. See, I like to wash the whole car. Now I'm going to wash the bottom panels. I will say about washing the whole car, and I use near enough all the water, which means it sucks water as well, that mitt. I like to wash the whole car because it looks nicer. Otherwise I end up having to wash the centre bit again or wash the centre bit after. It's about 30 minutes to wash on. So doing the water test on pan side, and it looks very similar to DIY detail, which I think is okay and or no problem. But expectation, moving down to the superior products. Once again, the very slight sheeting. You can just see it holds on the panel a little bit longer than the other DIY detail, etc. Once again, to me, that is not an issue. Once finished with that, I'm going to come back out with the drying towel. I didn't actually pre-dry, but I am going across the top. And as you can see, I carried on and used the red side. Obviously the towel is more than capable of taking the water up that's there. So just drying off the front too, right off the top. And that's everything done for another week. Please like and subscribe, comment in the comments if you like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.